Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to delete WordPress website from Cpanel. So let's get started. So we are going to delete our WordPress website from the Cpanel in 3 simple steps. In the first step we are going to log into our Cpanel account. Then in the second step we will delete our WordPress files. And then in the third step we are going to delete our WordPress website database. So let's get started with the step number 1. So at first we are going to log into our Cpanel account. So enter your domain name and then put /cpanel next to it and hit enter. So now we are on the Cpanel login page, and here we need to enter our Cpanel username and password and then click on login. You can find this username and password on your email which is attached to your hosting account, or if you have any issues with the login then you can reset your password from here. As I have the logins for my Cpanel account, so now I am going to log in. So I will click on login, and now we are in the Cpanel dashboard. From the Cpanel dashboard we will scroll down to file section and then we will click on file manager. If you have multiple websites on your hosting and multiple add-ons domain, then you can find your website from here. As I have only one domain on hosting, so I will go to public HTML. Here I have multiple websites on my subfolder. I want to delete this blog website, this one. I will double click on it and I will open it. So from the website files, I will select wp-config.php. I will right click on it and then I will click on edit. Again I will click on edit. So from here we can easily find out the database of our website. So this DB name is the name of our database name. So I will copy my database name from here. And now we will go back to our file section, and then from here we are going to click on select all files. So as you can see that all the files are selected, and then from the top we will click on delete button, and then we will click on this skip the trash and permanently delete these files, and then we will click on confirm. So as you can see that all the WordPress files are now deleted, and now we are going to delete our WordPress database. So I will go back to my Cpanel dashboard again, and from the Cpanel dashboard I will scroll down to databases section, and from here I will click on MySQL Databases. And here in the current databases section it will show us all the databases that are available on our hosting account. As we have copied the name of our database, so I am going to paste it here and search for it. I will click on go button, and here is our database for the website. So next to your database you will see a delete button. Just click on it and then click on delete database. So as you can see that our database is now also deleted. That's it, we are done. So this is how you can delete your WordPress website from Cpanel. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.